Hi, my name is Peter. I am the video maker and photographer who loves to ride the motorcycles like this one. And today, or perhaps should I say tonight, I will show you how I use the Insta360 X5 to capture the night rides. But at first, let's get the settings logged in. Set up the bitrate in your image settings at high. This allows you to get the maximum quality. For nighttime shooting, I use the pure video mode at 5.7K at 30 FPS. I prefer the flat color profile for additional post-production. I set the EV to -0.3 because honestly the new capabilities of this camera are just so huge that you can get nearly a night vision. For POV of your night ride, you need to attach the camera on the helmet. So here I have the Insta360 helmet Chin Mount. This mount and the new version 2.0 can be attached to almost any helmet on the market and makes it very easy to mount the Insta360 X5. It will allow you to capture everything around you as you ride through the city. Add a quick release mount to make it easy to switch shooting positions. That's the definitely first thing to do. First up, the vertical down angle. This setup gives you an immersive but slightly low POV. It's great if you want the viewer to focus on your handlebars or dashboard and make your scene more interesting. If you want to mount your X5 horizontally, I recommend you to grab a horizontal mount. This makes your camera not stick out too much from your helmet and will naturally lower the vibrations. With horizontal mount, you can easily capture a cinematic view of the city lights, buildings, and raindrops hitting your lens, which is perfect for moody and cyberpunk look. Finally, the horizontal down angle gives you a close-up of the tank and the road, which really emphasizes the speed and motion. Each of these setups creates kind of different vibe, so it's worth experimenting to find the best one that fits your own style. To get this angle, I use the heavy-duty clamp and the Action Invisible selfie stick. First, attach the heavy-duty clamp and the selfie stick to the handlebar. Then extend the selfie stick to proper length. I use the full length without the last part extended. The good thing about the heavy-duty clamp is that you can attach it to almost anything, so it's really easy to get creative how you use it. If you want to create your own GTA videos, you're better off using the U-Bulk motorcycle tail mount. This mount is sturdier than heavy-duty clamp, which is allow you extend the selfie stick farther and capture wider shots from behind. Also, if you need an extra stability like me, you can use the another dual support clamp to get even more stable setup for your X5. Just make sure it's mounted nice and tight to your bike, so use the included wrench to really lock it into place. It's always a good idea to get some footage of yourself, so this angle is great if you want to film yourself as you are riding through the city. And compared to some of the other angles and mounts, this one is very safe and easy to achieve, even with minimal gear. And if you don't have enough, try to mount the camera sideways to get another different angle. You might want to get some unique angles for your motorboat as well. Mount the camera with heavy-duty clamp as low as you can, but make sure to not scratch the camera in first corner. This is how you get the wheel shots like this. There is so many types of motorcycles, which every one of them has their own options where you can attach your X5, so don't be afraid of experimenting, but in the first case, stay safe and enjoy your ride. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, you know, all these things, and I'll see you in the next video.